How you doing, bro?
Doing good, how are you?
Good, good. Yes, for me.
And I believe I need a pin for this.
Yeah, let me give you the bin number. The bin number 4385.
Thank you.
You're welcome, bud. Bye. Okay, this box come from B2B. So 2 PlayStation, 5 Nintendo Switch. This first device for B2B is the my board.
They could like stay.
For pickup?
Yes.
For Swiss?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay, here the box.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
That's all?
Yeah, that's all.
Perfect. Okay, I don't know. Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little heavy, yeah.
You think I can carry it?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Thank you guys.
Okay.
Have a good
Let
one.
me open the door for you.
Yeah, thank you.